Right, upload ba ito?
Ito na.
Saan ba niyan? Saan ba na?
Okay. This is the calendar method. You only apply this to individual with irregular menstruation. Meaning, ang average blood loss niya nasa 150 ml lang. And it occurs between 3 to 5 days every month. Ito yung mga babae na kapag halimbawa, sinabi ko a 12 ng buwan, exacto yun. Every 12th day of the month,
Ay, buti pa sila.
na menstruation. So if this is your first day, this is what we call your last menstrual period. Ang unang araw ng huling regla. That is your LMP or the last menstrual period. Yung una ha, hindi yung huli. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Day 16, bawal Feb 16, nag-stop. You continue the counting to know your ovulation period. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 25th up to the 26th. This is your ovulation period. Meaning, kayo ay fertile. Kaya kasama yung 26 because the normal viability of your ovum or the egg cell is 24 hours. Normal viability of the egg cell is 24 hours. Meaning, mag-aantay lang yan dito sa fallopian tube sa loob ng 24 oras sa sperm cell. So kung walang contact na magaganap,
Ano ba yung fallopian?
the secondary oocyte will be reabsorbed.
Alin ba ang fallopian
Kung
tube
saan
mo?
itong tatanggalin ng katawan. And you
Ay,
can see
naumuit
the
lang
next
dito eh.
phase. So, kung 14 yan, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Well, the regulation is. You count 3 days before or 1 day after the ovulation. That is your safe period for infertile. So, hindi dapat walang contact between 24 to 22 and 27 of the month. This is your safest period.
Ang dami ah.
Kasi nandito sila yung discuss yun. Tandaan nyo ha, kasi ito, kasama ito sa duties and responsibilities nyo. Kapag na-assign kayo sa mga health center, kayo nag-explain ng reproductive health contraception. Nurse, paano ba yung calendar method? You have to do this. Okay? Tandaan ha, ito ay pwede lang applicable lang sa regular. Okay? Meron tinatawag na regular, irregular. Regular, irregular. Ito kasi regular, regular. Meaning, kapag exact ng 12 day of the month, nagkakaroon siya. At lagi na lang, 3 to 5 days lang yung kanyang menstrual period. There is what we call regular, irregular, 21 days, and 40 to 45 day cycle. Yung 21 day cycle na tinatawag, ito yung dalawang beses nire-regla sa isang buwan. Dalawang beses nire-regla sa isang buwan, pero sa loob ng 6 na buwan, tuloy-tuloy, no? Halimbawa, mula January hanggang June, o until December of this year. Parating ganun yung pattern ng inyong menstrual cycle, then you're considered regular, irregular.
Ako yun.
Ang 40 to 45 day cycle na tinatawag, ito yung nag-skip ng isang buwan. Or every other month nagkakaroon. Halimbawa, ng January nagkaroon, February wala, ngayong March magkakaroon ulit, April wala, May ulit magkakaroon. Kung 6 na beses na gano'n na tuloy-tuloy hanggang 1 year, then you are considered regular, irregular. Maliwanag ba?
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you. Paano pag